Are you aware that there are professionals in India earning more than 25 lakh rupees per annum in artificial intelligence without a single line of code in their resume and without a computer science degree? The global AI job market has crossed 3.8 lakh open positions in India alone in 2026. And the most surprising part, nearly 40% of these roles do not require a computer science background. Are you happy now to know? Meanwhile, the World Economic Forum published a finding earlier this year that AI skills now carry a 23% wage premium in the global labor market. A bachelor's degree carries 8%. A skill you can learn in 3 months is now worth almost three times more than your 4 years degree and 20 lakhs in tuition fee. In India, entry level AI adjacent roles start at 8 lakhs to 12 lakhs per annum. Senior non technical AI positions like product managers, governance specialists, AI trainers with domain expertise are crossing 30 to 50 lakhs. In the United States, the same roles command 130,000 to $273,000 annually, according to IAPP's 2025 survey. In this video, we'll explore 6 AI careers that do not require a computer science degree. You can see for yourself on this slide. I'm pro VGC. I have more than 40 years of experience across banking, MBA education, and financial education in India and abroad. So, whatever output I'm giving is a really authentic output and researched one. Coming to this video, why the CS degree is losing its monopoly. Let me start with something that should concern anyone building a traditional career path right now. Oxford University researchers analyzed 11 million job postings between 2018 and 2023. And what came up? Demand for AI skills grew 21%. The market is explicitly moving away from degrees and towards demonstrated skills. PwC, that is PricewaterhouseCoopers, analyzed close to 1 billion job advertisements globally in 2025. Workers with AI skills earn an average of 56% wage premium over equivalent workers without those skills. Now, the reason most people assume AI jobs require a computer science degree is because the first wave did demand that. Machine learning engineers, data scientists, AI researchers, these roles demanded coding skills. But the second wave, and this is where the opportunity sits right now, is different. As AI models move from labs into companies, into hospitals, into banks, into government, someone has to define what the AI should do, and that is product management and not coding. Audit the AI for bias and compliance, that is governance and law. Train the AI and what good answers look like, that is domain expertise. Design how the AI talks to customers, that is linguistics and UX writing. Break the AI before bad actors do, that is adversarial thinking. None of these require programming. All of them are growing faster than the supply of qualified people. Most career guidance in India still runs on 2515 playbook that is engineering, MBA, government jobs, etc. But times have changed. The AI economy is moving faster than our education system, faster than our placement sense, and faster than most parents' understanding of what a good career looks like. Your competitive advantage is simply knowing what the market is paying for right now and future, thus turning the move before the crowd arrives. You would have seen in the first slide what I have shown you the paths. Let's start with the path 1, AI trainer and RLHF specialist, reinforcement learning and human feedback. Let's begin with the path that has lowest entry barrier and, in my assessment, the most underestimated ceiling, carrying an AVR of 35 out of 100. AVR is vulnerability rating. AI assists but cannot replace the human judgment layer. RLHF stands for Reinforcement Learning from Human Feedback. It's how AI models like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini were trained to behave helpfully. Humans compare pairs of AI outputs, rate quality, flag safety issues, and write better examples. At the entry level, general annotation work pays approximately $15 to $25 per hour, roughly 1,200 to 2,000 rupees per hour for remote workers in India, contracting with platforms like Scale AI, Outlier AI, and Mercor. But here is where it gets interesting. The same platforms paying $15 per hour for general annotation are paying medical professionals $130 to $450 per hour for the exact same type of work. Not different work, the same platform, the same task type. The difference is domain expertise. A doctor working as a Mercor domain evaluator earns more per hour from AI labs than from their clinical setting. An investment banking analyst working as a Mercor finance evaluator can hard to imagine a better hourly job from a pay perspective. Mercor's average hourly rate across all domain experts is $81 per hour. Senior domain experts with 4 plus years of professional experience earn over $200 per hour. One freelancer documented earning over $60,000 in 3 months, that is approximately 50 lakhs, working as AI trainer contracts starting in late 2025 at $80 per hour. Look at the opportunity for earning. In India, the role is still emerging. Platforms are actively recruiting Indian domain experts, lawyers, doctors, chartered accountants, management professionals to provide the human feedback layer for models being localized for the Indian market. For full-time positions, data annotation equivalent roles in India average 8 to 15 lakhs per annum. For full-time positions, data annotation equivalent roles in India average 8 lakhs to 15 lakhs per annum. Senior RLHF specialists at Global AI Labs earn the equivalent of 40 to 60 lakh rupees. The data annotator role has grown 150% year over year as of 2026. How to enter? Create profiles on Scale AI, Outlier AI, and Mercor. If you have domain expertise like finance, law, medicine, engineering, highlight it explicitly. The entry test typically involves a sample annotation task. No certification required at entry level. Path 2, AI Quality Analyst and LLM Evaluator, which has got AI vulnerability rating of 30 by 100. AI may automate some testing workflows, but human evaluation of AI outputs become more important as models deploy into regulated industries. This role barely existed before 2025. Companies deploying large language models need humans to systematically test them, find the failures, document the biases, verify the outputs in real use cases. In India, AI quality analysts earn 6 to 12 lakhs at entry level, with a senior evaluation specialist reaching 18 to 22 lakh rupees. In the United States, the national average is $65,000, with AI quality and evaluation specialists ranging from $80,000 to $110,000. You will find a lot of interesting opportunities emerging in the product and governance side, and the remaining part of the video will give you some of the highest paying non-coding AI roles that most career channels in India are not covering. Please subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe. Path T, AI product managers. It has got a vulnerability rating of 20 by 100. It's low. Product strategy and stakeholder management are deeply human functions. AI is tool used by the PM and not replacement for the PM. AI product managers do not build the models. They define what the model should do. They manage the roadmap. They translate between a technical team and the business. They own the product decisions. In India, the salary range is significant. Entry level AI PM roles at startups and mid sized companies start at 50 lakhs to 21 lakhs per annum. Mid level AI PMs with 3 to 5 years of experience earn 25 to 38 lakhs. And senior AI PMs at companies like Flipkart or Swiggy and global SaaS firm with India operations exceed 40 to 50 lakhs. According to Glassdoor India, the average AI product manager in India earns between 25 lakhs to 40 lakhs per annum. In the United States, the average AI PM salary is 133,000, approximately 1.1 crores. Netflix has posted AAPM roles with total compensation ranging from $300,000 to $900,000. And here is the important part. Most AAPM postings explicitly list experience and portfolio over education. The degree line is becoming optional. Industries actively hiring AI PMs in India include fintech companies like Razorpay, PhonePe, and Cred, healthcare technologies, enterprise SaaS, and every generative AI startup that needs someone to own product. So, what kind of background works? Prior product management, operations, marketing, or project management experience is the foundation layer. If you worked as a business analyst, a project manager, or an operations lead, you already have 60% of what this role requires. How to enter? The Microsoft AI Business Professional Exam AA 730 costs approximately 8,000 rupees, requires no coding, and targets the 20 to 30 lakh salary band. It specifically validates prompting and AI workflow skills. Combine this with a portfolio demonstrating product thinking, even hypothetical AI prospects count. The total investment would be anywhere between 16,000 rupees to and may take 6 to 8 weeks time. Path 4 is conversational AI designer. It has got a AI vulnerability rating 25 out of 100. AI generates text but does not understand cultural nuance, emotional context, or brand voice. Human designers define the guardrails. Someone has to design how AI systems talk to people, how the chatbot responds when a customer is frustrated, how the voice assistant handles ambiguity, how the AI guide maintains tone across thousands of different interactions. This is not a coding role, it's a UX writing and linguistics role. In India, this is an emerging field. Conversational AI designers at companies like Haptic, AI, and India offices of global firms earn 30 to 18 lakhs at mid-level, with senior designers reaching 25 to 30 lakhs. In the United States, the average is $83,000 per year, with senior roles exceeding $140,000 according to ZipRecruiter's April 2026 data. The conversational AI market globally is projected at $12.2 billion in 2026. Backgrounds valued for this role: user experience design, technical writing, linguistics, communication, English literature, journalism. If you are a writer, a content strategist, a UX designer, or anyone whose career involved getting words exactly right, this field is actively importing your skills. No computer science degree is required. The key skill is understanding how humans communicate and translating that into rules an AI can follow. How should the AI respond when a customer uses sarcasm? When someone is clearly frustrated but being polite? When there is safety concern hidden in casual language? These are judgment calls, not coding problems. How to enter? 4 to 8 months of structured learning. The Conversation Design Institute offers certification programs. Build a portfolio of sample conversational flows, even for hypothetical products. Familiarity with the tools like Google Dialogflow, or Rasa is valued but learnable on the job. Path 5 is crucial. AI governance specialist, the 25 lakh role nobody is talking about. It has got hardly 10 by 100 AI vulnerability rating. This is the most AI proof role on the list. Regulation creates mandatory human oversight. AI cannot audit itself for regulatory compliance. Let me be direct. This is the role with the highest salary ceiling and the lowest competition on this entire list. And almost no career channel in India is covering it. Here is the context. The European Union AI Act came into force in 2025. It is the most comprehensive AI regulation in the world. Companies deploying what the regulation calls high risk AI systems in hiring, credit scoring, healthcare, law enforcement, face mandatory compliance requirements. The penalty for non-compliance is fines up to 30 million euros or 7% of global annual turnover, whichever is higher. Indian companies exporting to Europe, Indian IT services firms serving European clients, and multinational corporations with India operations all need people who can audit AI systems, document decision processes, assess bias and fairness, and defend AI deployments to regulators. This is not a coding job. This is a law, policy, risk management, and operations job. Deloitte's February 2026 Talents Intelligence Report found that demand for AI governance skills at Fortune 500 companies grew 81% year over year. 81% in a single year. The International Association of Privacy Professionals survey on 16,000 professionals across 60 countries in 2025. Here is what they found for AI governance specialist. The salary levels for different professionals are given in this slide. That places senior AI governance specialist in the top 3% of all US earners. In India, this role is in its earliest stage, and that's exactly why you should pay attention. Companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, and the Big Four consulting firms are building AI governance practices. Entry salaries in India currently range from 18 lakhs to 30 lakhs for professionals with existing compliance, legal, or risk backgrounds who had a governance certification. How to enter: a background in law, policy, human resources, risk management, compliance, or social sciences is on the ramp. The AGP, A Governance Professional Certification from IAPP, is the industry standard. It costs approximately $649, that's around 54,000 rupees, with 8 to 12 weeks of preparation. The exam is administered through Pearson VUA centers available across India. AI compliance professionals who add AI risk expertise to their existing credentials are reporting salary increases of 30 to 40% because the demand is structural, non-discretionary, and every company deploying AI in a regulated context needs this function. The supply of qualified people is nowhere close to meeting the demand. The door is wide open. The five AI careers that do not require a computer science degree: AI trainer and RLHF specialist, AI quality analyst, AI product manager, conversational AI designer, and AI governance specialist. Some of them pay significantly more than traditional engineering roles, and all of them are growing faster than the supply of qualified professionals. The AI economy does not care where you went to college. It cares what you know, what you can evaluate, what you can govern, and how quickly you can adopt. The opportunities in India and globally are enormous. You just need to find your lane. If you found this useful, subscribe, hit the like button, and comment below which of these five career paths you are most interested in exploring. I'll be keenly watching. for your subscription and response. Thank you very much.